All right. Well, I'm ready whenever you are. Actually, can you give me a check 1 2? Check 1 2.
Check, check. Check, check, check. Checkity check.
'Today was gonna be the day, but they'll never throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you got to do. And I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart went out. I know you heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. All the roads that led the way were winding. All the lights that lit the way were blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. So maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. That was beautiful! Ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons. Yay.
And Michael's got a new book, sweetie.
That's right. And we're on the cover.
Yeah. What did I do with that? I don't think I even titled it. Okay. Where is it, sweetie?
I know you grabbed it.
There's a new book available on Amazon.com called OJIBWE Words and Phrases. And, oh, here we go. OJIBWE Words and Phrases by Michael Lyons. But oh, look who's on the cover.
Oh, they're just darling.
Aren't they, though? Oh, I could just gobble us up. OJIBWE Words and Phrases.